Hi guys, today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Asus Tuf Gaming K1 keyboard with R-Sync. So let's get into it. Just remove the packaging tape here. Get this thing out of the plastic. Okay. So it's a bit dark here, so I have the light on. This thing's heavy. So membrane switches, dedicated volume knob, and R-Sync or Armoury Crate, wrist rest. So this is a 5-zone R-Sync RGB. Polling rate is 1000 Hertz. And let's see, we have macro recording available as well. Okay, let's open her up. Alright. Set this aside first and see what else is inside the box. Here's our included wrist rest. And that's the user's manual and probably the quick start guide. And that's basically what's inside the box. Now, let's get to the keyboard itself. Let's see. We got some tape over here. The stand has rubber tips on it. And let's see. Here we have the keyboard. Soft touch, membrane keyboard. Not that noisy. If you're into like mechanical keyboards and noisy keyboards, I wouldn't recommend this, but if you want something that's soft touch and probably good for speed typing, well, this probably works. Volume knob. and RGB lighting at the sides as well, both sides. Now this thing's an Aura Sync compatible device, so we can probably sync it with our other Aura Sync devices like the mouse and also the RGB fans on the system. So I'll be doing another product review or a product review of this thing with the mouse, the fans, and everything else. So stay tuned for it. I'll include the link below once I've done that, so you can see how it works with the Armoury Crate and with Aura Sync. So if you like my video, like and subscribe to get updates once I've done those videos. Thanks.